My name is Bryn Schoen, and thanks to the Harvey Mudd Office of Community Engagement, this summer I was able to work as an agricultural engineering intern at the Calleva Farm. I went to Calleva as a camper, and I decided to come back because I aligned so much with the mission statement. I felt like the farm was the place where I could do the most good and apply my engineering knowledge. But the farm is not just for growing ethical and sustainable food. That food gets distributed to low-income areas or urban areas that wouldn't have as much access to fresh produce around our community. And the farm is a perfect place to teach kids about sustainability and how the food they eat comes to be. Here is just a brief overview, some of my everyday farm chores that I did in the morning. You know, you're harvesting garlic, we have sheep, goats, pigs, chickens, cows, and all sorts of fruits and vegetables that we grow in the front and back garden. And it's really just an excellent place to show kids what it means to be a sustainable farm. We don't use any GMOs, we don't use any pesticides. All planting is done with our own compost, so it's just 100% organic, and it uses a lot of rainwater. It uses a lot of energy saving techniques, such as an Arduino program to open the greenhouse and close it at certain times of the day. And all of this is basically an ideal model for what a sustainable agricultural area should attempt to be. My job this summer was to take what I've learned at Mudd about engineering and apply it to make sure that the sustainable processes on the farm were as efficient and environmentally friendly as possible. Here are a couple of my projects I enjoyed. This mobile chicken coop, complete with rainwater collection, can be moved around to different places. That way, the chickens are able to graze and fertilize in different parts of the field. Having free-range chickens makes the chickens happier and healthier, and it means our fields get taken care of really easily. I also built this compost sifter out of an unused drill, a rusted rain barrel, and some old belts from the buses that the campers ride on. This summer at Calleva, I learned not just a load about sustainable agriculture, but also what it means to be an engineer doing work for good in our society. All in all, it's been an amazing summer. I'd really like to thank the Harvey Mudd Office of Community Engagement, my boss, Max Hart, the generosity of the Dorothy and Donald Strauss and Ben Hook Memorial Internship Funds, and all of my friends who pushed me to apply for this funding, because without it, I couldn't have had such an incredible summer.